Hi, my name is Kathy from Ladies Stamp A Lot. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Chesapeake, Virginia, and like you, I have been staying in my house for the past month, and this is where I spend most of my time. This is my happy place, my craft room. I'm really fortunate that my husband does most of the cooking, so he's also does the grocery shopping, and my son is home from college and he's doing his online learning. So I get to spend a lot of time up here crafting and really keeping my mind off of the world's problems right now. It's a really scary time and it's stressful. I know a lot of you have kids at home too and are trying to teach, and it's just a strange time. And I'm here today to mainly show you something that I think you're really going to want for something to do to keep you busy, and that is Paper Pumpkin. Now, Paper Pumpkin is what Stampin' Up! Calls its monthly subscription kit. And for $22, this kit will ship right to your house. That includes postage. So you'll get everything you need to make your projects come right to your mailbox, and there's no shopping, there's no thinking about what you're going to make or what you need to make it. Everything is included. And what's great about April's kit is it's going to be projects for Mother's Day and Father's Day. So if you're not able to get out to the store to buy a Mother's Day or Father's Day card, your problem is solved. This kit is going to be perfect for that. And it's also going to be good for any member of your family. That we don't know exactly what's inside. We were just given hints and told it's going to be 8 cards, and it's going to be for all members of your family or people that are like family to you, and especially Mother's Day and Father's Day. So let me just show you a little bit about what Paper Pumpkin is, and then stay tuned because I have a special offer. If you decide you want to buy the April kit, I'm going to give you a free kit because I was also spending a lot of time cleaning up my craft room, and I have 6 free kits that I'm giving away to the first 6 people that order this Paper Pumpkin kit. Now, this is the kit that came in April, and this was, oh my gosh, this is like gold because everybody wants it. You never know what you're going to get, and once it comes, you can't get it anymore. It's most of the time they sell out, and you can't even get the kits unless you're a subscriber. So it comes to your house in your mailbox, and you get a stamp set. Now this is the stamp set that was made to do the projects, but because it was Stampin' Up's 7th birthday, they gave us a birthday gift of another stamp set. So you'll get a stamp set, you'll get a little ink pad to make your projects. The first time you get a kit, you'll get a block to use with the stamp set. And then look, it comes in this like tissue, so it's like a little present that you get every month. And then your project is inside there. Let me show you. It comes with directions. And on the back, it has alternate projects you can make. And then there's a little link down here, or a little, yeah, it tells you what online you can watch a video of how to put the cards together. So that's, if you're a beginner, this is a great kit because they're really easy. Everything's ready, and then you can go online and watch that video, or Pinterest, YouTube. Lots of people show you alternate ideas too. So you get all the cards. Look how cute the cards are. And then the envelopes. These envelopes have nice liners on them. See that? Really cute. And then I should be showing you this because you can't get it. This is Boots, but it shows you how cute it is. These are the little places where you would stamp on your labels. Again, stamp set. And then you get little accessories, twine. These are glue dots, dimensionals, a pad. Okay, so everything comes in there that you need to make your projects. Now, like I said, that was what came in March. If you sign up by April 10th, which is Friday, this Friday, April 10th, you will get April's kit around the 20th of April. It'll be delivered. And in that kit will be the project I was telling you about that are geared for Mother's Day or Father's Day. And there are going to be 8 cards. So you'll get the stamp set, ink spot. If it's your first time getting Paper Pumpkin, you'll get that clear block. And then all the things that you need to make your cards. And I did the math. The kit is $22, includes shipping. That's $2.75 a card. Plus, you get to keep that stamp set to do other projects, and you'll have the ink spot to do other projects. Okay? So, and the other thing is that you can cancel at any time. Okay, there's really no obligation. You're going to go in. I'll put a link below this video or on my Facebook group or on my blog, wherever you're seeing this. I'll have a link to where you can order Paper Pumpkin through me. And you fill all your information out, $22. Do it by Friday. You'll get the kit at the end of the month and you can get started. And remember I said, I'll give you a free kit. Let me show you what I have. So this was last year's birthday kit. And so there's 2 stamp set, one that makes the cards. And where's the other one? Here, the other one has numbers so that when you make the cards, I had some samples that I made up so you can put how old the person's going to be here, and then it opens up 3D. That one's a cake, and here, and that opens up to some presents. So that could be a stamp set you could get for free if you're one of the first six people to sign up. Here's one. This is really cute for Easter coming up. If you're local, I'll just leave these on the porch. These are 3x3 cards and some little treat boxes there. I think you get 4 in there. And looks like 12 3x3 cards. These would be great just to like give to people at the grocery store when you go out for the groceries, or to the drugstore or something, to say thank you for what you're doing, to the people who's delivering all your packages. Just show people you appreciate it. That could be free. Here's another one that's for Mother's Day or Father's Day. These are like little cards, little pockets, and these little cards fit in, and the stamp set. And the color of this paper is the color of the ink pad that you would get with that. Here's one if you have somebody having a birthday or some kind of celebration, your graduations that you can't get to. This one makes a banner, and it has little sequins that you put inside that banner, or you can make cards. And that's, this says graduation, shower, birthday, anniversary, happy day. So all these would work for those kind of occasions. Here's one that makes a little wreath. It says happy spring, so everything in here that you need to make that wreath. And this stamp set says happy spring, happy Mother's Day. That's one you can pick for free if you sign up for April's kit by the 10th, by Friday. And then here's one. This makes 20 little Halloween treat boxes, and that comes with a little stamp set with little skeletons. And if you notice this would be the purple ink. So when I get my Paper Pumpkin subscribers, when they get their kits, I offer to make these for them. It's a little envelope that they can keep you can keep your stamp set in. And I have a little index there so you can see what stamp set it is, the name of the set, and the year and everything. And so that way it's a way of storing it. And then I keep them in a nice 31 tote. I have about 2 years worth in here. Just a nice way of storing your ink pad. So if you keep when you sign up, you'll get April's kit, and then you'll get May's kit unless you go in before the 10th and say you want to suspend it or cancel it. So there's no obligation. There's no minimums you have to buy except the one. But I encourage people to just, if they don't think they want it that month, to just suspend it, because if you don't cancel it and you're still considered a customer, you can go in and buy refills or pass kits on my website. If you're not a Paper Pumpkin subscriber, you can't buy the Paper Pumpkin refills or the older kits. So that was a lot of information. Please leave a comment if you're interested in buying this kit. The first 6 people that do so will get to choose which kit they want. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'd be happy to help you. I hope you'll give it a try. Thanks for stopping by.